Thumbnail is that part of the video which decides whether you get 100 views or 100,000 views. So follow my steps and watch the video till the end. Turn your mobile. The first step is to download this app and open it. You will find a lot of free thumbnail templates over here, not only in one niche, but also in many more niches. Let me scroll a little bit. Here are hundreds of free templates. So when you click on any one of them, you will be redirected to this place where you can edit it easily. You can make changes in it as you want. If you want to add your own images, you can do it too. Also, they provide you their own made stock, and you can use it for free. So that's it for today. Make sure that you have subscribed.
Yeah.